Welcome to the Testing and Deployment lesson of the Java Programming NC3 Fundamentals course. In this lesson, we will explore the essential processes of testing, debugging, and preparing your Java application for deployment. These steps are crucial in ensuring that your application functions as intended and is ready for users. Don't worry if this feels new at first. Now we're on understanding testing. Testing is the process of executing a program or application to identify any bugs or defects. The goal is to ensure that the application behaves as expected under various conditions. In Java, there are several types of testing methods you can employ. You'll see a few items listed here. First, unit testing, testing individual components or methods for correct behavior. Next, integration testing, testing the interactions between different components. Also, functional testing, testing the application's functionality against the specified requirements. Take a moment to read the rest on screen. Debugging your application. Let's dig in. Debugging is the process of identifying and removing errors from your code. Here are some common debugging techniques in Java. First, print statements, used to output variable values at different stages of execution. Next, Java Debugger JDB, a command line tool that allows you to inspect the state of a Java application while it's running. Also, IDE debugging tools. Most integrated development environments, IDEs, like Eclipse or IntelliJ IDEA, have built-in debugging tools that allow you to set breakpoints and inspect variable states. Next, preparing for deployment. Once testing and debugging are complete, it's time to prepare your application for deployment. This involves several steps. First, build the application. Use build tools like Maven or Gradle to compile your application and manage dependencies. Next, package the application. Create AJA or Java Archive file that contains your compiled classes and resources. You can create AJA or file using the following command. See the example on this slide. Pause if you want to study the details. This section covers example, testing and debugging a simple Java application. Let's consider a simple Java application that calculates the factorial of a number. Below is the code. This slide introduces a class definition. Study the structure in the code sample. To test this application, we can add some additional print statements to ensure that our calculations are correct. I'll let you read the examples on screen rather than reading every line aloud. After running the modified application, you should see the output tracing the calculation process, which helps in debugging. In this lesson, we covered the importance of testing and debugging your Java application. We reviewed various testing methods, effective debugging techniques, and the steps necessary to prepare your application for deployment. Remember that thorough testing and debugging are vital to delivering a reliable and user-friendly application. Now put what you've learned into practice. You'll see a few items listed here. First, implement unit tests for the factorial method using JUnit. Next, use the Java debugger to step through your application and inspect variable values. Also, create AJA or file for your application and run it from the command line. Take a moment to read the rest on screen.